Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. It is very easy. Question is based on the following information. M% N means M is a son of N, M at N means M is a sister of N, M $sign N means M is a father of N. Which of the following shows the relation that S is a father of Q? And as usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready, you can run video again, and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So right away, let's analyze what we see here, and in each chain we see here, logical chain, the last letter, which represent a person, we never know the sex, so uh, let's analyze again. Which of the following shows the relation that S is a father of Q? And as you see in variant B, we see S here, and because we cannot tell the sex of the last person, S cannot be identified here as a father, so we can cross out this variant of the answer right away. And now we have to think about variant A and C. Let's read again. M%N, so percent means son, and we already cross out variant B where we have percent, so now we have to think about this sign at, which stands for the sister, so let's put SI here and SI here, sister, and $sign means father, so we can put F here and we can put F here. So now we can solve this problem. For example, variant A tells us that S is a sister of P, so S is a sister of P, and P is a father of Q. P is a father of Q. Sex of the Q is not specified, as I said. The last person, we can add couple people here. So again, which of the following show the relation that S is a father of Q? And as you see, S cannot be a father because S is female. So Q is a father of S. So Q is a father of S, and S is a sister of P. So S is a sister of P. Sex of the P is not specified. And again, which of the following shows the relation that S is a father of Q? And according to this pedigree, S is a daughter of Q. And we are looking S is a father of Q. So this is a wrong answer, so we have to choose none of this. But I know you want to check also variant B if I'm correct or not. So at means sister, so let's put SI here, and percent means son, so let's put S here. So according to this pedigree, according to this code, Q is a sister of P, so Q is a sister of P, and P is a son of S. So P is a son of S. But sex of the S is not specified. It can be with this person or this person. So S can be with the father or mother. So again, we cannot tell for sure that S is a father of Q. It could be a father, but we cannot tell for sure. It can be a mother too. So again, we have to choose the answer D. None of this. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.